Have you ever wondered if paradise could exist on Earth? What if I told you that Switzerland hides wonders so breathtaking, they almost seem supernatural? In the next few minutes, I'll take you on a journey through Switzerland's 7 hidden treasures, wonders that will make you question if this country is real or simply heaven disguised as Earth. Before we start, hit the like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing travel stories, and comment which place you find the most magical. Switzerland's secret wonders begin with a legend. Our story starts deep in the Alps, where ancient myths say the land was sculpted by giants. Imagine standing by a lake so clear, you see every snow-capped peak reflected as if by magic. But this is only the beginning. Want to discover the first Switzerland wonder that even locals keep secret? Don't forget to hit like if you love stories full of mystery, and subscribe so you never miss an epic travel reveal. The Hidden Valley of Echoes. There's a lush valley where every sound, the whistle of wind, laughter, footsteps, returns to you, as if the earth itself is whispering secrets. Scientists say it's the valley's shape. Locals say it's ancient spirits playing tricks. What's really behind Switzerland's echoing valleys? Drop a comment if you think there's a scientific explanation, or if you'd love to explore a place where the mountains talk back to you. Stay tuned. The next wonder will challenge what you believe about natural beauty. The mirrored lake that changes with the sky. Hidden between jagged peaks is a tranquil lake that morphs color with the sky. From sapphire to emerald to silver at dawn. Photographers chase the perfect reflection, but locals say its real magic only appears at sunset. Would you wait till dusk to see nature's greatest show, or would you risk missing the spectacle entirely? Remember to like this video and subscribe. There's another secret about Swiss waters coming up next. The forest that feels like a fairy tale. Step into an enchanted forest where ancient trees twist skyward. Sunlight splinters through mist, and wildflowers blanket the ground. Legend says if you listen closely, you'll hear stories whispered by centuries-old branches. Could you spend a night in a forest like this, knowing it's alive with folklore and mysterious sounds? Comment if you're brave enough, and don't miss what's coming next. Switzerland's frozen wonder that tells its own story. The glacier whispering from the past. High above, the largest glacier in Switzerland glides slowly between the Alps. Beneath layers of ice, scientists discover ancient fossils, secrets from the last ice age. Every crack in the glacier is an echo from 10,000 years ago. What secrets would you want to discover frozen in time? Smash that like button, subscribe for more stories from the edge of the world, and get ready. The next wonder is only accessible if you solve a puzzle. The secret passage to the underground crystal caverns. In Switzerland's mountains lies a hidden entrance to underground caverns sparkling with natural crystals. Only a handful of explorers have seen the light reflected off these mineral walls. Would you crawl through darkness to witness nature's jewelry? Comment crystal if you'd love to experience this, and hit like for more mysteries. The final wonder will reveal why Switzerland really looks like heaven. Where heaven meets earth, the unseen Swiss wonder. No video, no photo truly does justice to Switzerland's greatest wonder. The feeling, standing in silence amidst untouched nature, when you realize you're part of something bigger. That's the moment when Switzerland doesn't just look like heaven. It feels like it. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Leave your comment. If you could visit just one Swiss wonder, which would you choose, and why? Join us each week for more journeys into the world's most awe-inspiring destinations.